This is the all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon XSE in premium ruby flare pearl. This sporty XSE is equipped with LED headlights, and it's lower, longer, and wider, giving it a sleek aerodynamic profile. From the back, the 2019 Avalon looks impressive, riding on 19-inch black alloy wheels with a rear deck spoiler, shark fin antenna, and dual chrome exhaust tips. For extended tours, there's plenty of luggage capacity in the full-size trunk. From the driver's side, this sharp-looking sedan looks great with a bold new grille, integrated front spoiler, a power moonroof, and ground-hugging low-profile tires. Inside, the cabin looks sophisticated and modern with aluminum trim and leather upholstery. For comfort, there's dual-zone climate control, power heated seats, dynamic radar cruise control, power windows and locks, tilt steering, and an amazing 14-speaker JBL surround sound audio system with Entune 3, Apple CarPlay support, and a backup camera. The interior is roomy and beautifully designed, including contoured bucket seats with exposed stitching, and in the back there's 60/40 folding seat backs allowing you to transport larger items. There's no shortage of performance with a 301 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. If you're looking for a sporty, well-equipped, full-size touring sedan, the all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon is well ahead of the curve. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.